Well, probably guys, we're on a world, but this is not real Minecraft. This is Skinecraft, guys. We're multiplaying with my little brother, right there. Then we'll be surviving this stone. Give me some stone. Give me some stone. Go there. There's my pickaxe. I think it's better. Do you see that? It's a glitch. I will turn this bunker into a very I'm lagging so much, bro. I'm lagging too much. All I'm on. There's a cube up there. Just many cold though. This building is my room. Yeah, bro, yeah, bro, yeah. Bunker into cobblestone. This is an old version of Minecraft. If you don't know Minecraft, just download it and install it. But this old version, I'm actually taking glitch. I'm actually the glitch of the world with this old version. Yeah. What the fuck? Man, what the bro? Bedroom, this, yo, that's I'm solving you. There's a cave under here. But I love torch. Wait, where's the torch? Get this. Is this torch? Let's go. That's so bright. That's so bright, bro. That's so bright. If you're watching this, you need to subscribe, right, guys? You need to subscribe. Subscribe. But my brother is laughing right now. I'm a mute. It gave me extra cobblestone. Bro, this gave me extra cobblestone, bro. I'm covering this up with cobblestone. Bro, my pickaxe just broke. Don't worry, I have another one. Yeah, boy, yeah. Oh, yeah. The block's glitching again. In the second, the roof. How many cobblestone this might take? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Stop that. Stop that. There's water. There's water on the roof. But I'm a turtle. This is great because they give me extra cobblestone. No, not again. I'm building that. I'm a fucking bitch. No, not this. Why the fuck? Oh, sorry, that bad word. How do I cover this? Oh my god, bro. I need this. Give me a lot of money. Yeah, finally. Oopsie doopsa. I'm playing this on mobile. And I'm at Lil Bro's world. Wait, what does he say? Bro, go to sleep. Oh, he said go to sleep. Wait, guys. Let's go. Oh, one and go. Well, web coats. That's good. Need to cover. Oh, the roof is done. Only this. Oh, that's empty. Oh. Oh, I don't have blocks. Oh. Finally, it's done. Like this. final and oh, it's not done. Oh, it's not done. No, 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 no. No, bro, no, no. No, no. Bro, too much water, bro. Wait, I'm gonna get outside. We told it 12 minutes. Oh, that's right. Cooking oil. No, no, no. That will be quick. No! The water keeps flowing. No, last one. Last one. Last. This one. No! And done. Wait. It's not done. It's not done. And done. We have the cobblestone bunker. I'm gonna get this blocks right here. Let's go. Damn, good, bro. My little bro. This is house. It's a wooden house. Bro, this easy to get fire. This easy to burn. I have flint and steel in my chest. Yeah. Did you know, guys, our hunger bar doesn't wait. The hunger bar is glitching because it cannot look at the hunger bar. Look at that. Bro. Bro, golden pressure plates. Bro, your house is kinda dark. There's mobs spawning here. Bro, your house is kinda dark. Bro, why the blocks are keep glitching, bro? Oi. Oh. Ow. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what's your problem, bro? What's your problem? Bro, what the fuck, man? What the fuck are you? Fucking hell. Bro, what's your problem? Bro. Ooh. You're not dying, bro. I'm gonna die. You're dying. I know you're low health. Ah, bro. Whoa. What the hell? Oh, that's a sword, that's a sword, that's a sword. Oh, that's a sword, the guy. Bro, he's cheating, he had a sword. Bro, your helmet just cracked. No, I'm gonna die there because I don't have a sword. Wala pa si... Bro, open the door! Open the door, bro, open the door! Open the door. Ano? Wait. Ano? Wait. Open the door, bro. Open the door. Open. That's easy to catch on fire, bro. It's easy to burn. It's also easy to burn. That's why my house is made of cobblestone. So that's the clutching area. We actually learn clutching area. This is the clutch area. This will learn how to clutch. Wait. In probably 1 week ago, we just play Kingcraft. Bro, I just do the dream clutch. Do you know the dream clutch? You need to throw the bucket and get it and clutch bro. I'm a clutch. Wait guys. Wow, that's a clutch, bro. That's a clutch. My armor is kinda low health. My armor is low health. Wait guys. Bro, my armor is kinda low health, bro, guys. Mr. Infinity, shout out, bro. Hello guys. This is Mr. Infinity. Yo, bye guys, bye.